All right, let's go through this question together. We are given root 10 times 3 root 10 plus 2 minus root 8 times 45 plus square root of 8, 10. Okay, so let's see if we can break them down. Okay, so we know 10, we have 10 here, and we can divide this side by 10 to get a perfect square. And we can also go ahead and divide this side by 2 to get a perfect square. So this side by 9 or 5. Okay, so we have square root of 10 times 3 root 10 plus 2 minus, so let's call this side 4 times 2, 9 times 5. 9 is perfect square, 4 is perfect square, so plus, so we have 81 times 10. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead as we multiply. The equation here is 1 times 3 is 3, square root of 10 times 10 will be 10, plus, so 1 times 2 is 2, 10 minus, so this side, and we're given 4 times 2 is same as with 4 times with 2, and this side will be 2 with 2. Okay, then 9 times 5 will be 9 times 5, so we have 3 root 5. Okay, and this side will be 81 times 10 will be with 81 times 10, so we have 9 with 10. Okay, so let's do substitution. This side will be 2 with 2, 3 with 5 plus 9 with 10. Okay, so we have 30 plus 2 with 10. All right, so this time that still remains minus 6, 2, 5, 10 plus 9, 10. Okay, so we have with 10 common here, so we can put them together. Okay, so we have 2. Okay, let me bring the 30 first. 30 plus, so let me use bracket 2 minus 6 plus 9 of 10. So 30 plus, so we have 3, we have 5, 10 as our answer. All right, so that's that.